Hello friends, welcome to Programming Knowledge. In this video, I will show you how to use describe command. In MySQL, whenever we create a table using insert query, we describe the structure of the table, like what should be the name of the column, what should be the data type, and what should be constraint. Now, at any point, if you want to see the structure of your table or schema that you have created, then we can use describe command. So let us see. First, open terminal. MySQL -u root -p. Okay, we are in MySQL now. Right, show databases to see which are the database that present in our computer. Okay, so as you can see, we have data test database here. Just use that. Now our database is changed. We write show tables, and we have two tables here. One is student and second is temp. So now we want to see the structure of student table. Let us first fire select query. Select star from student. As you can see, first we have roll number, then name, and then surname, in which roll number is our primary key. So write describe and then table name. Press enter. As you can see, this is the structure of student table or schema. Let us understand them one by one. The first column stands for the name of the field that are present in the table. The first column is roll number, as you can see here. The second one is name, and the third one is surname. So these are the fields that are present in student table. The second column stands for the data type that we have specified while creating the student table. As you can see, roll number has type of integer, and the maximum value or the maximum length that we can insert is 11, and name and surname both have data type varchar. Var stands for variable and char stands for character. That means varchar variable character, and maximum length is 45. If you want to see the data type or list of data type that present in MySQL, you can go to the documentation in MySQL website, where you can find all the data types that are available in MySQL. There are lots of data type like integer, character, small int, big int, long, double, float also, characters, text. And the third column is represent null constraint, and this means that whether you can left a field or a column null or not. Because roll number is our primary key, it cannot be not null, because we have to specify the primary key. Otherwise, there is no value that can uniquely identify the entire row in your table. And name and surname possibly can be null. And the fourth column specify which of the field we have declared as primary key. In this particular table, roll number is our primary key, as you can see, and the default column stands for if you haven't specified any values for the column that you have declared in student table, then by default which value it should get. We had not specified any default value while creating this student table. That's why there are null here. If you want to specify the default value, then you can specify. We will see about this in our later visit in much deeper. So this is how you can use describe table to see the structure of your table or schema that you have created. Now just close this terminal and open MySQL workbench. So describe and then table name. Just fire it. As you can see, the first name is stands for fields that you have in your table. The second is data type. The third one is for null constraint, and then the key constraint that you have primary key, that roll number is our primary key. That's why it's shown pri in roll number, and the default value. Now let me just write another table, temp. As you can see, we have only one field in temp table, that is id. The data type is integer, and the null constraint is no, because id is our primary key, as you can see here. Default one is null. So this is how you can use describe and then table name. So thank you.